Howdy guys and girls. In today's video we're going to do another heat transfer warehouse garment decoration challenge. Overall I'm really excited. Anytime I can do heat transfer vinyl, it's a little different than what I usually do. I probably won't do as good as some of the other people that are doing it because I'm just not as good at heat transfer vinyl as some of the other people, but we'll go ahead and give it a shot and see what we can come up with. And this is the box, and let's go ahead and dive and see what's in it. Alright guys, let's see what all's in this box. First we have this hat. It's almost like a fishing hat kind of thing from Port Authority. And I suspect we're just going to do some kind of vinyl design right here. Is probably going to be my plan. I probably won't go too crazy on the hat. Next up we have some shorts here. These are Bella Canvas. They are the, let's see, the fleece collection shorts. They are super duper soft. And they're also a super thick material. And inside they're also fleece, and they're just they feel so good. And they're in almost like an olive green color. So I don't know how we're going to be able to work with that, but we'll figure something out with it. Next up, Thermoplus Lavender, Thermoflex Plus. We have some Walla Cut Patterns, glitter marble. That's a really cool. Like if you look at it different angles, it's super sparkly, almost like a galaxy type thing. We have some Caesar Glitter Ember Orange. Really cool. Caesar Sparkle Silver Sword. It's a very, very deep glittery thing. We have Walla Express White. Just a standard heat transfer vinyl white. We have Walla Cut Express Lemon. Just like a nice super bright yellow. Walla Cut Express Black. Probably one of the most used HTVs I have. We have some Easy Weed Metal Red. That's almost like an Iron Man red. That's gorgeous. We have some rhinestones. I may have to try to find a way to use those this time because I feel like I never use them. We have some Walla Cut Puff. Puff is super duper cool. And what it does when you heat it, it puffs out and makes a nice 3D effect. I really want to find a way to use that. And we also have some Easy Weed Matte Shamrock. So yeah, overall that's what we're going to be using, and we'll go ahead and use our silhouette cutter up here to get them cut. Sorry guys, this is what I have come up with, an In the Stigma thing. And what we're going to be doing, we're going to be doing the galaxy looking purple vinyl. We're going to be doing the metallic orange. We're going to be doing silver and black on this. And we're going to do these on the legs of the shorts. And then we're going to do this design on the other leg. As you can see, I kind of got the colors mapped out. I went ahead and saved and did all the layers as different things. Next up, we load up our vinyl and make the cuts on our Silhouette Cameo cutter using the recommended settings on the manufacturer website. There we go. Now, overall, that is a beautiful color. That's way prettier than I thought. So we'll go ahead and get the hat pressed. Alright guys, we're going to do this thing on the hat press. And we're going to go ahead and give it a good pre-press. Or we'll go ahead and get it on here. This is not quite as easy as a traditional hat to work with, but that's okay. We'll make it work. I assume right here is where I need to be pressing. There we go. Go ahead and try to get that on there. Yep. I think that's fine. Give them a little pre-press. And for time, we're going to go ahead and put it about 20 seconds. Just to make sure we have a good press. Yep. Okay, so we'll go ahead and press that guy on there. And once again, see, it's the perfect size. It's just a matter of putting it on there. We're going to go ahead and cover it with a little paper. We're going to go ahead and give it a good press. We're going to turn up the pressure a little bit. Go ahead and give it a good press. And this is a cold pill, so we're going to wait a minute before we actually do anything with it. There we go. Go ahead and turn that off. And we'll go ahead and get this ready and we'll cold pill it. It's cooled off a little bit, so we'll go ahead and get it. Perfect peel and really nice little hat. Overall, that's super cool. Pretty happy with that. That's really nice. Alright guys, we're ready to press these beautiful shorts. I'm gonna go ahead and get it lined up and get it ready. Something like that should be just about perfect. Yep. Yeah, we'll go a little bit higher. Something more like that. That should be just about perfect. So go ahead and get that ready, and we got them almost centered up a little bit better now. Something like there. Actually, yeah, let's keep it over there on that side a little bit better. Yep, we're gonna put that right there, and we're gonna let it get to about 311, and we're gonna go ahead and knock it out. All right, guys, let's get ready to press this first layer. This is just the black layer, and everything else is gonna go on top of it. Go ahead and give it a good firm press. And since this is a warm peel, go ahead and peel it. We'll go ahead and do, let's see, we'll go ahead and do this layer next. Go ahead and get it aligned on there. Should be about like that. That looks about right to me. Yeah. Alright, we'll go ahead and do that layer next. Same time, same temperature. Same pressure. Go ahead and see if we can get this on there. And there's our glitter. Now next we can go ahead and do this, our lavender layer. Get it stretched, get it how we want it. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. Then we'll go ahead and press that. I don't have the guts to do them all at one time or anything like that. I can't be doing that. I know some people do multiple layers at a time, but I don't have the guts for that. Alright, and the last one is this beautiful silver layer that goes on there. Let me go ahead and get this re-stretched to the best of my ability. And this goes just like that. And this is the silver. And it goes just like that. And overall, that's really, really clean. Actually, it could go a little further even. I think we can, let's go a little bit further down. I think just like that is gorgeous. Okay, that's gorgeous. Let's go ahead and set that. And boom. Shoo. That's actually way cuter than I thought it was going to be, if we're being totally honest. I thought the lavender would be overpowering, but it's not bad. Now we gotta go ahead and do this other leg, which is going to be a little just as easy. So we'll go ahead and do this. Go ahead and get it situated. Get it laid out. We'll go ahead and get them pre-pressed. Same exact thing, we're pre-pressing it. I have to do the black layer first, but I don't know exactly how it needs to be done, or how high. My initial guess is something like that. Let's see. And that's going to need to go something like that. Okay, I see. I see. Somewhere off in there is where that's going to need to go. Maybe even up a little bit further. Okay. So with that being said, let's reposition. Let's get everything ready. There we go. Alright, that should turn out right nice. Because the next layer is probably going to be lavender. Okay. I'm pretty content with that right there. We'll go ahead and get it pressed. The black's the hardest layer to lay because everything else kind of depends on that. And on this side, it's not a big part. And on this side, it was a little easier because it was such a big part of the design. But on this one, it's a little bit different. We'll go ahead and lay lavender next. Lay that right on top. That should go just like that. Actually, that's a little bit off. Just like that. Should be perfect. Okay. Alright. Now, that's what we got so far. We'll go ahead and do these. Which those are going to go something like this. Alright. The trick is to just stretch it until you get it exactly how you want it. Like that's not even good. That's not close. That's reasonably good. I think we're going to roll with that. We're going to go ahead and press that. And this is our second to last layer. After this, we'll be pressing the last layer and we'll be done. Alright, last layer coming up. Go ahead and warm peel that. Last layer is right here. And it is this one. Get it positioned perfectly. But that is not perfect at all. Hey Luna, how you doing, baby? Go ahead and get it centered. Get that as good as we can. I'm moderately happy with that. We'll go ahead and get that pressed. We got it stretched into position. Pressing it for 20 seconds and we'll be good to go. Hey Luna Bear. Okay. We'll go ahead and warm peel it. And we'll go ahead and turn our heat press off because this is the very last thing we're doing today. And overall, I'm not unhappy with the results. We'll go ahead and get this and we'll go ahead and do a final review real quick and look at it. Alright guys and girls, overall two very successful projects. First, this nice hat with the Caesar metal. And then these shorts with the variety of vinyl. We'll go ahead and show you each side individually. And the stigma, and then this cool little design that I found on Grade of Fabrica. It's multi-part. Overall, learned a lot. These fleece shorts from Bella Canvas, the fleece collection shorts, super nice. You'll love them if you get some. They do very well with heat transfer vinyl as well. And big shout out to Heat Transfer Warehouse for putting this event on. It's always fun to try different materials, try stuff I've never tried before, including this. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a big old thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more heat transfer vinyl sublimation content. Again, this is Southpaw. Peace out, guys.